semester. My name is Muhammad Sharif. I am CSM B section. Today I am giving a video presentation about the topic pointer. In this video I am discuss the what is the pointer and what is the applications of pointer and what is the future of pointer and their advantages. In this video I will be discuss. First go through the introduction. Pointer are the one of the most important and powerful feature in the C programming language. A pointer is a specific type of variable that does not store normal value like an integer or character. Instead, it stores the memory address of another variable. This means the pointer helps us directly access control the memory of program. To find the address of variable, we use the ampersand operator to get the value stored at a pointer address. We use star operator. For example, if a variable x contains the value 10 and a pointer p stored the address of x, then p holds the location of x in a memory and star p gives the value 10 stored there. And what is the pointer? Pointer is a specific variable in C programming language that stores the memory address of another variable. Instead of storing a normal value, every variable in program is stored somewhere in computer memory, and a pointer helps us directly access the memory location to get the address of variable. We use the ampersand operator and to access the value stored at the address. We use the star operator. Pointer make program more efficient because they allows us to work with memory directly, pass large data to function without copying and create dynamic data structure like linked list and trees. In a simple words, a pointer points to the location of another variable in memory. And how we declare in pointer. The declaration of the pointer, we use the star operator to declare a pointer variable. The type must watch the largest variable. The syntax of the declaration in pointer is: first we declare data type and star pointer name. This is the syntax of declaration in pointer. For example, we take a declaration in pointer. Integer is the data type and IP is the pointer name. And how we initialize in pointer. We use the address of operator ampersand to get the variable's address and access to the pointer. And what is the syntax of initialization? The syntax of initialization is data type and star pointer name and equal to ampersand variable name. For example, int is the data type and star ptr is the variable pointer name and ampersand num. In there, ampersand num stored the address of the another variable. And what is the future of pointer? The future of pointer. Pointer provide several uses future in C programming language. The most important feature is they store memory address of another variable, allowing direct access to memory. This makes programming more efficient because data does not need to be copied again and again. Pointer also support dynamic memory allocation, which means memory can be created or released during program execution using functions like alloc and free. Another feature is the pointer make it easy to work with array, strings and structures, since they can point to the first element and move through memory location using pointer arithmetic. They also allow functions to dynamic actual values passed to them by using call by reference instead of call by value. Finally, pointers are essential for building complex data structures such as a linked list, trees and graphics, making them a powerful tool for advanced programming. And pointer arithmetic in C. We can perform arithmetic operations on the pointers like addition, subtraction. However, as we know that pointer contains the address, the result of an arithmetic operation performed on the pointer will also be a pointer. if the other operand in of the type integer. In pointer perform pointer subtraction. The result will be an integer. And each pointer, we know that the data type having their different bytes. I mean they're storing different size. For example, we take a char is a data type. It is stored 1 byte, and integer it is stored 2 bytes, and double 8 bytes, and structure 20 bytes, and they having different sizes addresses in there. And applications of pointer. Pointers have many important applications in the C programming language. One of the main use in dynamic memory allocation, where function like alloc or malloc free allow program to request and release memory during execution. Pointers are also widely used in handling arrays, strings, and structures because they help access and modify data efficiently without copying entire block of memory. Another major application is call by reference, where pointers allow a function to directly change the value of variable in the calling function. Pointers are essential in creating and managing complex data structure such as a linked list, struct and occurrence, trees and graphics with really on nodes connected to memory address. They are also used for pointer arithmetic, ascending hardware address in system programming, and improving the performance of programs by reducing memory usage and increasing speed. And what is the disadvantages of pointer? Pointer will powerful also have some disadvantages when not used carefully. The major drawback is that they can lead to memory related errors such as a ascending invalid or location, which may cause the program to crash. Incorrect use of pointers can also create memory leaks, where memory is allocated but not properly released. Because pointers works directly with memory address, they can make the program more complex and difficult to debug for beginners. If a pointer accidentally pointed to a wrong memory location, it may overwrite improvement data, leading unexpected behavior. Additionally, improper use of pointer may create security issue such as a following access to memory. Therefore, although pointers are useful, they must be handled carefully and correctly. And conclusion. In conclusion, a pointer are powerful and essential feature of the C programming language because they also direct access to the memory and make program more efficient. They help in handling arrays, strings, structures, and dynamic memory, and they make it possible to build advanced data structure like linked list and trees. Although pointers can be difficult for beginners and may cause errors if used incorrectly, proper understanding and careful use of them can greatly improve the performance and flexibility of a program. Overall, pointers are a valuable tool that the C programming should learn and use widely. This is the all about the pointers. Thank you, sir, for giving